Before I start with today's session, make sure to join on CSGOEmpire under the best promo code Razor Affiliate and get deposit bonus, claim free case, and get up to $1,000 absolutely for free. Promo code Razor Affiliate. Hey, what is up guys, Razor Affiliate here and welcome back to a new video on my channel. Today guys, we are on CSGOEmpire and in today's session I'll try with some case battles and some case openings. I have $800 on the balance and I'll try to make huge profit, so let's get right into it. Okay guys, today's session I'll start with some case battles. As you can see, you can find a lot of cases on CSGOEmpire. So I'll try with Crimson Web. I'll try with 3 cases, 100 or 2 cases. Let's do 2 cases and let's try with vanilla 1 case. 3 cases. I'll play PvP mode. As you can see, you can find 1v1, you can find 3-way and you can find 4-way mode. So I'll start in PvP mode. Let's create battle and let's call CSGOEmpire bot. Really cool feature on this website guys. If you are not affiliating, you can always call CSGOEmpire bot and you can start case battle instantly. Okay, bad start for us. Site is so active guys, you can find a lot of active case battles. So let's see, bot is in the lead. Can we get one knife? No, we cannot, so we lost first case battle. Bot won how much? $78 bot won. So let's do one more battle, same one with same cases. After this one I'll switch up things and we'll try with some other cases. So let's see, can we get one knife? Oh, give me that gut knife, bro. Why you bait me? Huntsman knife, what the fuck? From $58 case, third pool, last one. Now this is really bad, really bad. So now let's switch up things guys. Let's try with some other cases. I'll try with 3-way mode this time. Let's do Serpent 1 case and let's try with Poseidon. I'll try with 5 cases, $160 in 3-way mode. So let's create this one. Let's call bot. 2 bots this time, come on buddy. Also guys, you can find other games on this website: roulette, coin flip, case opening and more. I think we are in the lead, I'm not sure. Okay, Zeus 31. Okay, 31 coin, not bad. Okay, 2 cases left. Okay, $10, not bad USPs. Last case, Serpent case. We are looking for one huge pool. Okay, Asimov M4. I'm not sure about this one. Bot is winner, bro. Over $300 fucking dollars. Let's do same one. I don't give a fuck. I really like this Serpent case because you can find a lot of good pools. So let's see, Zeus. Okay, 31 this time, factory new, not bad. Come on, Poseidon. Poseidon case is also good. Oh, AK maybe? No. 5-7. I think bot is in the lead again. I'm not sure. 2 cases again. Come on, brother. Really bad. Last case, Serpent 1. Please, Karambit or something big, bro. 64. It's impossible, bro. It's fucking impossible. Bot won close to 500 coins. Damn, bro. Okay, let's open some cases. 165 coins left on my balance. So I'll try with mystery glows. Let's open 1 case for 19 coins. Can we get glows? No, we cannot. Let's do one more. Bro, glows, please, please, please. Okay, this is huge. 981 coin, bro. This is crazy. It's big comeback, bro. I did $300 profit. So let's try with one more case. Okay, Okay, for the end, guys, I'll do one more case battle. We'll try with, I don't know, we need one huge case, maybe cheap glows one maybe. And let's try in 2v2 mod. Let's try in 2v2. Let's create battle. So we're gonna split profit if we win this one. Let's call bots. Come on, brother. Something really huge we need. Glows, come on, huge glows, bird glows maybe. Case hardened glows. Okay, we won, I think. We won, I think, but how much we won? 120 per player, which is crazy, bro. I need to do one more. I need to do one more, guys. I really like this case, cheap glows case. I need to do one more. We need bird glows, bro. Or motto glows or something. This is crazy. Okay, that's fucking W, bro. That's fucking W. How much is it? 184 per player. So guys, from 800 I have now 1.2k, which has over 400 coins profit. I hope you have enjoyed. If you have enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and most importantly, check out CSGOEmpire under the best promo code Razor affiliate. Claim free case, claim deposit bonus, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you tomorrow in a new video. Bye.